Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up the smart reply function on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and scroll down to settings and scroll down again and click on smart reply within the compose and reply section, which is the third option. Here you can enable this feature by clicking on the button on the right side of the screen, so that when this feature is enabled, it means that there will be suggested replies shown to you when available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.